from all over the world are hoping the new coronavirus vaccine will give us our old lives back. And millions of people have already received their jab. Most of them got one of the so-called mRNA vaccines developed by the companies Pfizer, BioNTech and Moderna. mRNA vaccines are a new type of vaccine. Many conventional vaccines put a weakened or inactivated germ into our bodies, not mRNA vaccines. In this video, I will show you how this new generation of vaccines works. mRNA vaccines basically teach our cells how to produce a protein that triggers an immune response inside our body. The COVID-19 mRNA vaccine contains, as the name says, mRNA. But what is that? To figure that out, let's take a brief lesson in molecular biology. The RNA is a copy of the DNA, which codes genetic information. The mRNA or messenger RNA then contains the relevant instructions from the RNA for building certain proteins, the functional elements of cells. But let's get back to the vaccine. The COVID-19 vaccine contains a copy of the virus's genetic information in the form of mRNA. Here, the mRNA codes for the spike proteins of the virus SARS-CoV-2. To ensure that the mRNA will get into our cells safely, they are packaged in so-called lipid nanoparticles, which is just a smart term for a fat bubble. Once inside our own body cells, our cellular machinery follows the mRNA instructions to produce the harmless spike proteins on the surface of the cell. Our immune systems recognize that the protein doesn't belong there and starts building an immune response and making antibodies. If the patient then gets exposed to the new coronavirus, the immune system is ready to fight the real virus. Later, the cells break down and get rid of the mRNA, so it doesn't stay in our body for long. It also never gets inside the nucleus of our own cells, where our DNA is stored. So it is impossible for the vaccine to influence our own genetic material in any way. Researchers have been working with mRNA vaccines for many decades, and this is because they offer some crucial benefits. First of all, they can be developed in a lab using readily available material. This means the process can be standardized and scaled up, which makes the whole vaccine development faster. Future mRNA vaccine technology could also allow one vaccine to protect against multiple diseases. This means one vaccine could replace many shots. Also, because mRNA vaccines don't contain a live virus, there's no risk of causing disease in a patient. Now that you know what an mRNA vaccine is, would you get one? Let us know in the comments. That's it from me for now. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you next time on Felix Science Explained.